It's actually problem number 2 from our worksheets. Let's listen carefully because I'm going to have you retell it. On Saturday, Kira and Jake counted animals in the park. They counted 23 pigeons and 37 squirrels. How many animals did they count? I don't want the answer. I would like you to tell me if this is addition or subtraction. Taína?
It's addition.
Addition, why?
Because you're adding 37 plus 23.
Okay. How do you know that yours was add?
Because it doesn't say that he gave away.
Okay.
It says that he counted more.
Okay. So let's listen to this problem again. On Saturday, Kira and Jake counted animals in the park. They counted 23 pigeons and 37 squirrels. How many animals did they count? So Taína says it's addition. Does anybody else have another idea? Is it subtraction or is it addition? Mario, what do you think it is? Do you think it's addition also? Okay.
Because it's
So thumb to your chest if you think it's addition or subtraction. Thumb to your chest if you think it's addition. Okay, nice job. So it is addition, you're right. And so,
oh yeah.
What's a way of figuring out this problem? What's a way of figuring out this problem? Savannah.
The way of figuring out that problem is by...
Actually, before we do that, sorry, to hold your thought. Can you hold your thought for a minute? How do we write the equation? Because I need to put that on the board first, right? So this is the problem. I'm going to give you a second. How do you write this equation? Ricardo, can you come on up? Yes, you need to. Lock in. You have to wait until he comes back. Voices are off, friends. Voices are off. You okay?
What?
Okay. So, Ricardo wrote it like this. Is there another way of writing this? Come on up. Voices are off. Focusing your attention. Doing a great job. Oh, you're saying you could do 37 plus 23? Okay. And, I'm getting to see. Mario. Yeah, don't solve it. All right, so those are ways of solving, and I wanted to mention, hands down, Juan reversed them, but we learned that doesn't matter, right? Which one goes first?
Because
For the addition?
it doesn't matter.
Okay, I am seeing hands still. Savannah, yes. I asked, oh, sorry. Okay, so you want to answer that question? All right, so what's one way of solving this problem? Solving this equation? Focusing your attention, friends.
Is by doing the 3 and 7 first, and then the 2 and 3.
So you're saying, okay, so wait, what are you saying? Can somebody explain what she said? Tyler, what did she say to do first?
She said to go on the 3 and to count the 7, do the 3 and 7 first, and then go to the 2. And
What?
then,
Okay. Sorry, go ahead. Yeah, and then it's okay. Yeah, you can't tell us the answer. So she said doing 3 and 7 first. Why should we do 3 and 7 first? What's the rule with addition like this? What's the rule with addition like this, Andre? Why would you add the 3 and 7 before anything else? Hold it in your brain. Let's give him a chance. She said, right? Both of them one's at 3 and 7. You add 3 and 7 first. Why would you do that? What is that called, the right side? Gail, what are these numbers called that are here?
The ones.
The ones. You guys agree with that?
Yes.
Okay. And then what are these, Jaden?
The tens.
Okay. So you say that you can add the ones first.
No, the ones first.
Okay. And then, what's another way of solving this? I saw some friends using the hundreds chart, right? Like what else? Yanis, how do you use the hundreds chart? Is that what you did? Okay, what did you do? Can you explain it to your friends so that your back isn't to the class?
I used in my head that I used the tens and ones.
You did in your head. Okay. Is there, okay.
The 10 and 1 chart.
Okay, so you did this, tens and ones, and then you put the numbers in?
Yeah.
So what goes here?
I put the 23.
20, and then what goes here?
The 3.
Okay,
And then the 37.
okay. So what goes,
7.
37?
And then the 7.
Oh, and 7 here, okay.
And then I put the 9.
So you did that, okay. And then,
Put 2.
okay, so you used your head. Is there other tools that we could have used for this problem? Ricardo?
The 100 chart.
The hundreds chart? How would you use the hundreds chart for this?
Yeah. You could like do the 23.
So can you show us? There's a hundreds chart right there. Can you hold it up for the class and show everybody?
I got 23 or 36.
So, okay, started with what number?
I start with number the 27. Then
Wait, 30, 23.
Yeah. Oh wait, 23. Then I counted by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
What number are you counting up to?
Oh,
Counting.
all the way to 37.
So you're counting up 37.
Yeah.
So you counted? Okay. So you count up. Is there an easier way of doing this? Is there an easier way? What's the easier way?
To count by 37. 37 and keep
Oh, so
going.
counting by 23. Okay. So, ways to solve. Adding ones. Counting up. Is there another way of using the hundreds chart? Altina?
Well, the way I did it was
Eyes on Altina, bodies are still.
the hundredth chart. I added 3 plus 2, and that equals 5.
Wait, can you explain that a little bit more?
Because on the hundredth chart, right here, I added 3, and then I put 2. That equals 5.
So,
So
what?
then I put 7
Wait,
plus
3 plus 2? Are you adding these two numbers together, Altina? Does that, okay, so you want to add these two numbers together.
Yeah, so that's
So I don't, can you explain
that's
that?
not really what I was doing.
Okay.
What I was doing was adding these two together. So
Oh, I see.
I put 3 plus 2, and then I added these two together, and 7 plus, and it was equal 10. So then I put the 1 up here, and then I put the 0 down here, and that equals 6.
Oh, okay. So she used the number chart. Yes, you may use the bathroom. She used the number chart to to make sure that she was correct in adding these numbers together. Is there another way that we talked about yesterday? Maybe do you remember, Tyler? How do we use the number chart? So we start with 23.
You can jump.
Jump how?
You can jump. You go to 23, and then you go and then 60 you can jump. 1, 2, 3, 4.
How do you know that it's 4 jumps? Can you explain that? we jump to there, though? Can you explain that? So Tyler's saying that we can jump diagonally, right? So he's saying it's like 1, 2, 3. I'm sorry, did I do it right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that how we're supposed to use the number chart? Is that so Tyler, can you ask one of your friends to help you out? Because I think you've got a good idea about jumping, but I'm wondering if there's a friend that can help you with this. Can you pick on somebody to help you with the jumps? Gabby, can you show us on here? Alright, I'm going to hold it up so everybody can see. So can you just point? We started with 23, right? There's 23 pigeons and 37 squirrels. How do we jump on this? Okay, so you're jumping down. Every jump down is how many? How many is every jump down? Yeah, these. 10. Okay, so how many would you jump down? So if it's 37, but you're adding the 23, can you explain that? How many tens would we jump to add? How many tens are we adding? Let's look. We have 2 tens here. We're adding how many more tens? 3. So how many jumps do we need? Okay, so she's saying that you can use the number chart to jump down 3, right? So it would be like this. You're jumping here, that's 10, 20, 30. And then how many ones do we need, Ricardo? Yeah, 7. So then we would count here, right? 1, 2, stop. Whatever it is, stop. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What's the answer?
60.
60. There's also another way. Did anybody use the number line? Could we use the number line?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Savannah, could we use the number line?
Yes.
How do you use the number line? Can you show us? All right, she's showing us, guys, so you're going to focus your attention.